what up, guys? Adrian here. And I'm with two of my friends, and we had an idea. So we have a little railroad track by my house. Alright, so we wanted to go to this little railroad track and explore. Alright, so guys, where we going?
Walgreens.
What we about to get?
I'm hungry. Sold up.
We got $10, and we're
I'm about
not.
to get sold up.
We're gonna get a flashlight, right?
Sold up.
What's your phone at?
In my pocket.
What's it at? Enough.
46.
Alright, so we have to get some stuff. I'm thinking gloves. You thinking gloves?
I'm thinking sold up. I'm thinking chips.
They're not.
My man.
They're not that down for it. They're not that down for it. And I tell them, like,
Gang bang.
buy a bunch of homeless men. So we're here, and I know exactly where we need to go. 10. This is 7. Should we all get these?
Oh, shit. I want blue.
You want blue?
Christmas.
Christian, where did you get that from? Yo, get this kid out of here, bro. All right. So these.
Got this.
All right, we'll buy these.
Let's see if we have more money.
And if we have more money, you can get your soda and chips. Get on your knees and tie my shoe. Guys, so there's bad news. You tell them.
You're stupid and there's no batteries in them.
I didn't bring more money.
You. No batteries. She only told her Davion buy the supplies.
Okay, excuse messy hair, but at this point we went to go pick up one of our friends and he couldn't come. So we are now showing up at the railroad track. We're arriving. Alright, so I'm gonna hide the audio, but if you listen, and I promise you guys I can swear to anything, it was just me, Jaquise, and Christian the whole night. No one else knew what we were doing. We had another friend, he went somewhere. If I will raise the audio, if you listen, you can already hear before we go in there some sort of like weird like kind of scream. I don't know how to explain it. Just listen. All right, we're going in. Turn on your phone lights. The light is so bad. I don't know. This is like so sketch.
Are you okay?
Here, can we get another light up here? Watch the floor. Alright, so. What the fuck? Yo! Wait for Christian. I don't know. You heard that too, right? Oh my god! Yeah, that sounded like that was a bad idea.
Yeah.
Let's go back. Just kidding.
No, let's take the long way back to